Hey guys, welcome back. StarKnightMT's just sent us a box. Let's see. More storage space for the centerpiece. Let's take this thing out of the bag. It's got a handle at the top. Oh, it's got instructions. This is for the Can-Am Maverick X3s from 2017, I believe, all the way to 2024. They haven't changed anything. So basically, we got to remove the centerpiece and then hook up these things onto the centerpiece. So, centerpiece is simple. It's just push and pull. So that's simple enough. And then for hooking this up is basically you grab the bottom and then the top. So slide in the bottom into the groove here on the material. There we go. So once it's slid in, and you just put it in like this and then push away. This might be fun. It's going to be a tight fit. There you go. Keep pushing and you squeeze this to fit underneath. There you go. Snapped into place, and then you just make sure it's centered. And it sits like this, and then to put it back into place, simple enough. You hook the two bottom ones in first, and then you push in the pins. So make sure your seats are forward, at least one on one side. Then you slide these into place. And once it's locked in, push, and that's it. And then storage space, got a nice texture, eh? It matches inside. It's like a carbon fiber look, but like rubberized. And then inside, well, you got a place to put your phone. You got Velcro. You can put some more stuff in there, and it's pretty deep, so you got lots of room to put lots of stuff. Like you can even fit belts in there and everything, like 2 belts easy. And then just close her up. It's tough material. It looks good. It's waterproof. At least it's water resistant. Like if you submerge the whole thing, I don't think it's going to be waterproof after an hour being under the water. But I don't know if you can see that through the glass, but it looks pretty nice in between both of them. And you just adjust your other seat to sit, and it actually sits pretty nice in between. There you go. And for easy, if you're wondering access to it, well, just sitting here, you see, just lean over, open her up, and throw your tools in there that you need, and then just close her back up. There you go. So thanks for watching again. Thank you StarKnight for MT for doing a collab, so appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one. You guys be safe, and like you can never have enough storage. So catch you on the next one, and I'll put the description and the link below for you guys to get it. And yeah, so we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.